Look closer. Those aren't bumps, they're full, feeding parasites. One by one, ticks are pulled from this dog's body. And there are so many of them, large, swollen, hiding deep beneath his fur. Each tick tells a story of pain, of constant itching, of blood slowly drained, day after day. Imagine living like this. Something crawling on your skin every second, with no way to escape. As the ticks are removed, the fur reveals the truth. This dog didn't just suffer for a moment. He endured this for far too long. This isn't just tick removal. It's the end of silent suffering, and the beginning of relief.